Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar says goods and services tax system will overcome the drawbacks of the old taxation system. Education Minister inspects CC Higher Secondary School while SSA primary teachers storm Education S office. TH Shyam Kumar demands contractors to expedite construction of water supply scheme in Mayang Imphal by December this year. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjum bringing you the top stories. Deputy Chief Minister and Finance, Taxation and Excise Minister in charge Yumnam Joy Kumar expressed that goods and services tax system will overcome the drawbacks of the old taxation system. Speaking at the awareness campaign on goods and services tax organized jointly by Commissioner of Central Excise and Service Tax, Shillong Government of India and Commissioner, Department of Taxes, Government of Manipur at Manipur State Film Development Society's auditorium in Palace Compound, Joy Kumar said the goods and services tax system under the Union Finance Ministry will do away with the culture of collecting taxes from people to fill personal pockets. He appealed the people to register for GST and shift from the old taxation system at the earliest. Speaking at the occasion, Chief Commissioner of Customs, Central Excise and Service Tax Shillong Zone, S.K. Panda said the goods and services tax system will be effective all over India from June this year and added many states have already registered and migrated in the new system. However, for Manipur state, so far only 45% have migrated. He also said the new taxation will benefit many businessmen. Panda said once the GST system is fully implemented, it will bring down inflation as well. Finance Commissioner, Manipur Government, Vivek Kumar Devagan, Commissioner of Central Excise and Service Tax Shillong, Gaigadun Panmay, among others, attended the awareness program.
Tax collection, even today, what is happening is that VAT and all these things also, those who are manning, many of, say even in my taxation, the allegation that people who are manning the gates, say for example, Henboom, Jiribam, etc., they are not really showing all the entries that are coming, that are supposed to be shown. So there is, that is where the loopholes are there, the plugs has to be plugged. But in this system, I'm sure that these problems will be overcome. What is required to be implemented for this implementation, the cooperation of each and everyone who are here, who are the sellers and who are buyers.
Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam visited CC Higher Secondary School and inspected the conditions of the classrooms, laboratories and the campus today. The visit was a part of the undergoing survey of the higher secondary schools to be developed in Manipur. The Education Minister said that more students with good academic records need to be assisted and make their dreams come true. He advised the students to consider the school as his second home and to keep it neat and clean. He also informed that a meeting for all the school principals will also be held very soon. Mahabali Kabuikul Imphal East felicitated the High School Assembly Constituency MLA Thokchom Satyabartha Singh, who is also the Finance and Science and Technology Parliamentary Secretary at the Community Hall of the locality. Speaking at the function, MLA Thokchom Satyabartha said serving the people in his religion and High School Assembly constituency cannot be developed if Mahabali Khul is neglected. He also said that there is need for cooperation from the people for development.
Kendra sida ningma khwaidai tungdaba pochi lambi sorok ka drainage gani aduna Mahabali Khul gi su drainage system phalalan bata soidana mayam ya pa ma thongani maramdi ngasi de na numit khani mamang masi program te hamna ba akoi mahut department manaraga masi darka leba sangba achouba akoi ondana loigre program da hapiu hai na koi thagat chakre soidana madu yawbirakani amasung madu mayamgi apamba sangda ningba thungna chanba ngamagani haibi thajabaduna thamjage.
Primary teachers under Service Shiksha Abhiyan stormed the Education as office in Lamphilpa today and protested against non-payment of their monthly salaries for the last 9 months. One of the teachers protested, Thiam Randhir, said the Education as gave an assurance of paying their due salaries for 9 months by the 23rd of April last month. However, even today, no action is taken up and the matter is being ignored. Randhir, addressing the grievances of the primary teachers who haven't got salaries from the month of September 2016, warned if their demands are not met, teachers would cease taking classes.
Makoina positive response PB bataraga 9 months akoina immediately akoida PB ni high biraba commitment PB raba or with order oina state cadre da absorb to win habi raba hana so in return PB raba ni adu baba adu ki promise in return PB raba promise se keep to with up se madu dagi sounding ba haitare aduna masi hek PB driba baba akoi gi khongjang se hek akoi sangsin jagani na makoina positive response PB bataraga
Mahut Town Planning, Forest and Environment and Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T.H. Shyamkumar made a strong demand to the contractors for completion of water supply scheme construction at Thana Mamanglaikai, Mayang Imphal by this December. The minister made a statement during an inspection tour at Water Supply Scheme and Mayang Imphal Municipal Council. He was accompanied by MLA of Mayang Imphal constituency, Kongkham Robin Rowe and other members of the council. The water supply scheme is being constructed with a total investment of 23 crore rupees under Urban Development Ministry, India government. Minister Shyamkumar further said construction of the water supply scheme started 3 years ago and so far crore 9 rupees have been already sanctioned. However, the construction works is far from satisfaction. He expressed that it is rather unfortunate not getting safe drinking water in Mayang Imphal constituency, which is so conveniently located within a close range to Loktak Lake and Imphal River.
Ministry of Urban Development की कुछ funding ले अमूल की मखादा ला होते हैं लमसम ने पैसा के और बक चले इतने बता देखो ना यूसी मतलब जाने पी दबा within 2-3 days working days तो कोई ministry सबसे में तो नहीं बुका अभी संख्या लगा करना तुम by December बेचले PIC Pal West की division से कन बा ministry लोग भी लगा कंसर्न contractor में आम नसो कोई सोई नोकी तो भी रखने हम थाजे within 1 नगी मनम का थबक सी progress is photo उधर का थबक सी कोई आइन की बातों में डिसाइन तो याम अथु मतलब के तेल सीमा कोई मागी निकले के दबा कोई पेन यूज public toilet सोला इमाम में हम फमी में हम सी में हम फमी में हम सी की temporary market set अमा सी अथु मतलब दा एजेंसी के लोग ना कोई सा ना वो enable नसल MLA का ताना सारा.
On the other hand, former MLA of the constituency and Parliamentary Secretary YAS K. Robin Rowe said stringent inspections will be carried out in all the water supply schemes of the constituency. He also said the concerned departments will be urged upon to repair all pipelines or install new pipelines wherever necessary.
Personnel oina sila tum laksagani hafta khudingi Sunday khudingi sila lakani progress kyam tawrimno haibato eisa magna adugi progress tugi matung inai minister da honorable minister dai tamjagani aduga kegi tawi amna ham to step to in lokan anga tunu sanaba karigino da mayang pha kendra de sing wai have je myam gi mangda haibu kai je loktak ka Imphal turen kwasel dei ba jaga sida ngasi bukta praja singna nung tha khudingi rupa lising amani gi sing dai lai jose asigi awaba se ko na bani asi khar thunu lo silaga mutang praja ge piana bang tang to again.
Post Office delivered a box of used clothes instead of electronic items which was ordered. The owner of wanted to lodge a complaint and punish the persons involved in this scam. Sorok Kibam Mani Singh, owner of Capital Electronics from Pauna Bazaar, ordered electronic cash registrar ECR from Punjab-based IT firm Scientific Audio Technologies, which was posted to his address through speed post. But when received the item, he found used old clothes instead of the electronic item. He said and inquired the company about the delivery. They assured that the right item was sent. He also said this is not the first case of such kind of scam. Gairuna Kamai, an agent of SOP number 135 and ward number 26 under polling station number 15 by 10 in Wangkai Assembly constituency, whom the convener of Wangkai Kendra Development Forum, Taurem Tomba, allegedly accused in media of selling PDS items like rice under NFSA illegally by making fake card holders' name, clarifies that the allegations are baseless and false today. Speaking with media persons at his residence in Chingmerong, Kabuikul, Kamai said the allegations made by convener in media is a conspiracy to replace him with other agent. He further said in the particular shop number 135, since the number of beneficiaries card holders maxed out, the beneficiaries were reduced by 33 card holders, and since April 2016 till April 2017, PDS items like rice have been distributed regularly in the shop. Kamai said he and the concerned department can make the relevant documents available as evidential proof.
Laikai da sung aranba pau thokuna beneficiary se agent hena phangba gi type ta yumthong khuding da chatlaga pau thok piri ba se masi sung tawbi dana ba media gi thongda khanghan jari maduna masida awai akum tawduna sung karem da kana ba phangningai sung laide maduna masigi maron akupa khangning laga di office da chalaga khangbi ba yagani aduga laikai da sung agent asigi khuthang da laga lairiba document mayam se laga yengbi ba yagani.
Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. MLA of Thangmaiban constituency, KH Joy Gishan, termed yesterday's incident wherein the Maira Paibis of Thangmaiban Muji Lairak blocked and closed the road in the colony in protest against non-repairing of the road as unfortunate. The MLA inspected the colony this morning, and speaking to Impact News, he said several developmental works have been taken up and will be taken up in the constituency. He said the repair work for the colony was delayed due to the sewage project. He added after the completion of the sewage project, arrangement was made for repairing the road. However, the locals requested for installment of water pipeline due to which the repairing work of the road was further delayed. Joy Kisan asserted blocking and closing down of the road by the locals before consulting with the local MLAs against the law and termed it as narrow-minded politics. He said Imphal West Police has been informed to take appropriate actions regarding the matter.
Election lo gara bokta yamna apik par rajniti tawba mioi kharana ain thugairaga PWD gi lambi ma tawthoga samban khajan base ain yadi akoi gi laiba concern SOE tar koi lambi se ko survey tawdana estimate chadana koi thabak se hauna baina ready taw laibani adubu politically yam akhu mi yeng ba kangbu kharana bol loigra si jum board ki michathina hona le se yam laibak thiningai ni hojikti thangai banda lebe me khide mo aingon da election vote thada ba thidana koi pulap punja laga thangai ban chakhot pada on onjen chi aduga ain singnaraga thabak tawgum si aina meyam da appeal tawjar.
On the other hand, Executive Engineer of PWD Imphal West I. Suresh said no intimation was initiated to the department regarding blockage and closing down of the road, and therefore the higher authorities will be consulted for the same.
Lambi talk to us, Honorable MLA na pau pirak pade khangja bani ado khoi de pau pirak pam to sulaite before 5 days or 1 week notice pick them ne khoi de swain don lambi sembi dre sembi u khotpi u haina dagas la kadam ne Honorable MLA dasu or civil engineer or ai samakta adu gumgi knowledge am to leite ado na khoi de hojik report torni higher authority da.
In continuation of the extensive special drive, Food Safety and Standards Enforcement Wing carried out a drive at shops located at Singtamay, Khongman Mangzil, Bhamon Lekai, Thongju, Bashikong, Kanchipur, Kiamgai and Yairipur area. 3 bakery units including Hussain Bakery and Afrin Bakery located at Yairipur and new fast food bakery at Yairipur Top Chingat were closed down for selling unhygienic items and opening the shops without proper license. The drive will be continued at Sawombong in Imphal East tomorrow. Umanglai Kanba Apunbalup Ukal has made an earnest request not to perform Umanglai Harauba just for the sake of enjoyment beyond the tradition of Maitai community. On the last day of Laiting Kong Pakangba Harauba at Waikom Laikai last month, Laitanthem Suraj Yanglam of Taubal, who acted as Tangkhul Saba, had performed beyond the required traditional ritualistic acts just for entertainment, which was uncalled for. Speaking with Impact News at Ukal's office palace compound, Suraj assured not to perform beyond ritualistic requirement for entertainment's sake in future again. Ukal convener Mutum Maniton Mangang said Ukal had received many complaints in relation with such similar incidents from nook and corner of the state with the development of information technology. He urged not to defame the beautiful time immemorial tradition, especially Tangkhul Saba, which is performed on the last day of the festival. Ukal further appealed to people not to insist Tangkhul Saba to act with extra glee.
Information technology chaukulakpani masi yemda tawraga ju hekta mayam ji loi khangna ba hai tare ana sigum bagi wafam jilla abani na hujikti Tangkhul Saba bu or sunra bi sabu or su mai bu or su mai bi bu or so ja pena bu or su lairau gi thabak sidai da ka henjan ba thabak sing si amata tawbi ganu param du dang tawbiu chumna chatpiu ado khunja jing da mo haijaningi sina Yada wafam tau hida wafam mayam sing che tau daba yade na Tangkhul Saba nora bi saba sing da pressure pi bagi wafam se masi tokpiu ukal na ju madu yamna luna khana jaraga madu laibung da changdana bagi ware ama lorok pa yai.
Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board jointly organized an awareness program on various schemes for the welfare of the workers at Hairo Part 1, 2 and 3. Hairo Assembly Constituency MLA, who is also the Education, Labour and Employment Minister, T.H. Radhesham, his wife Joshila and officers of Labour Department attended the awareness program. Resource persons spoke on welfare benefit of building construction workers at the program. A 3D technology orientation cum farmer skill training program in agriculture jointly organized by Department of Sericulture, Government of Manipur and Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textiles kicked off today at the conference hall of Directorate of Sericulture, Sangaipad. Speaking on the occasion as chief guest, Director of Central Muga Iri Research and Training Institute, CMER and TI Jorhat, Dr. B.K. Singh, asserted that the objective of the program is to increase the production of best quality silk and also to provide benefits to the farmers. He said the state has been producing 518 metric tons of silk in a year by planting castor plants in 32 hectares of land by 42,000 households. He drew the attention of the farmers to put in efforts in order to fulfill the government of India's long vision of beating China in the production of silk by 2030.
Hujii 5 to 6 crops chahin na ya ko masina ko na padang sagi kakung se hujii siga katang mamun se handari pura pagi kakung se ko second ko spring ni minini na to huni shu da ko pipa se ko pyong se katang perfect ko deba adu BTC de padan taw hai age moi Nagaland su padan taw hai Nagaland farmer sing na moi hisab taw se mi huni shu se ha season jo winter khang de sama khang moi yeng na pyong se nini shu na huni shu se moi pipa se ko deba my opening in sige ko 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 aduna pipa se ma ban se cham cham moi gi re se pipa da lupa.
Central Institute of Plastics Engineering and Technology, CIPIT, Imphal organized an open house interaction program at the institution's compound at Takil today. Plastic products made by trainees of the institute were also displayed at the stalls. The program was conducted to highlight the facilities and training programs provided by the institution. Deputy Director and Head of CIPIT, Imothiam, said, upon getting good response from the public about the program conducted by CIPIT yesterday at Takilpad Industrial Estate, it is being conducted even today as well.
CIPIT की ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम से हेक लोय मतुंग द मोइसी करी हानि एनी कंपनीज वगैरह नत्रक इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरह मोइसी हेक अदुगुंबा मोइसी थबक सी हेत सुबंग गंबगी अदुगुंबा थबक सी तोबंग गंबगी अदुगुंबा कैपेबिलिटी तो मोन स्किल ले हेन माइतरे अदुना CIPIT की प्रोग्राम से याम स्किल ओरिएंटेड ओय याम हाईली जॉब ओरिएंटेड ओय कोगी CIPIT ले रिबा फैसिलिटी सिनरका अदुगुंबा मागी बिजनेस सी होबो या मके अदुगुंबा खुदोंग चाबसु ले aduna lamdam sida lai riba ko gi entrepreneur oining sing na jagan hana gi oibil oigiba lai bo oiraga su ko gi masi consultancy service vi na jagan facilities wire ga sin na bo vi sigma servicing jo pe extend tawi.
The Meteorological Department says the onset of the southwest monsoon is likely to advance further due to a depression over the Bay of Bengal, which is expected to turn into a severe cyclonic storm by tonight. Director General of India Meteorological Department K.J. Ramesh said that deep depression would help in the advancement of monsoon over Kerala and northeast India. He said the deep depression is likely to intensify into a severe cyclonic storm by tonight and cross Chittagong by noon tomorrow. This will bring heavy to very heavy rainfall to Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Several parts of the Orissa are also likely to experience rain or thunderstorm in the next 24 hours under the impact of a depression concentrated over the Bay of Bengal. The Bhubaneswar Met Office today said wind speeds may reach up to 60 km per hour and it may turn into a cyclonic storm during the subsequent 12 hours. In sports, Kyokushinkai Karate Association Manipur in a press release informs that in the National Amateur Mixed Martial Arts Championship held at Mumbai's RJ College on May 13 and 14, Manipur teams Khagokpam Sanayama and Khagokpam Manihar alias Toy bagged the bronze and silver medal respectively. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar says goods and services tax system will overcome the drawbacks of the old taxation system. Education Minister inspects CC Higher Secondary School while SSA primary teachers don Education as office. The Shyam Kumar demands contractors to expedite construction of water supply scheme in Mayang Imphal by December this year.